Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die. Oh no!
But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die. Oh no! But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die. Oh no!
All these years they've been looking for a baby.
Did you hear that, my pet? All these years they've been looking for a baby. Oh! Idiots! Imbeciles! Oh, they're hopeless. A disgrace to the forces of evil.
Don't touch anything.
Touch the spindle. Touch it, I say. You poor simple fools, thinking you could defeat me, the mistress of all evil. Well, here's your precious princess.
Silence! You tell those fools to no. No!
Silence! You tell those fools to no. No. No, it cannot be! Now shall you deal with me, O Prince, and all the powers of hell! How short of truth flies swift and sure, that evil die and good endure.
Swiper! Oh no! He'll try to swipe the soccer ball.
Swiper? Oh no! He'll try to swipe a soccer ball. Maleficent, always wonders when Swiper's around. Swiper? Oh no! He'll try to swipe a soccer ball. Oh man!
That's right, Diggle Pickle. Don't forget your blanket.
That's right, Iggle Piggle. Don't forget your blanket.
dear, Tombly Boo Ooh has the hiccups. Oh dear, Tombly Boo Un is going to sneeze. Plachu!
Oh dear, Tommy Boo Ooh has the hiccups. Oh dear, Tommy Boo Ooh has the hiccups. Oh dear, Tommy Boo Ann is going to sneeze.